If you've seen my latest video, you might be wondering how I did this. If you're not, then you're just gonna learn. Okay, so for what I forgot to say, like add any color, like or whatever, like I put white, add a font, add the text on top of the color, like white or whatever, and then yeah. So you're gonna double click it. You're gonna be on this screen. You can change it to whatever font. I usually like to use this font because I like it. And then let's just change the thing to hello. Also, by the way, I'm using a membrane keyboard, so it's like wider, because if not, if I'm using a mechanical keyboard, it kind of sounds like. So yeah, if you're wondering why the keyboard's trash, you know now. So now that you have this, if you want to add a white background like this, we're gonna have to do this. We're gonna click advanced. We're gonna let for now so you can see. Let's change the color. Put text border on. Let's change it back to white. There we go. So we're gonna change this to black. We're gonna put like blur, I don't know, 6. We're gonna change this to like normal. 10. That looks good. Text shadow, same thing. Change the opacity. Don't change the opacity. Put the blur like 4. Put the distance like 2. And then like save as custom, which press OK. So now that you have this, you're gonna go to animation, like this animation up here. You're gonna put customize, and now you're on this screen. Make sure you need to be above filmora 10.1, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, you're gonna go all the way back at the beginning, click add, make sure to put like a 95 because that's what I like. Alright, now that we got 95, with your arrow keys, you're gonna go like 1 and then 2 frames, so like 2. Alright, so now that we're zoomed in, we are going to go like 1 and then 2 frames. So you can clearly see it right here, that's 1 frame, right here, that's 2 frames. And then you're gonna press add. You're gonna press this one, it's a reset, and now there's like this little arrow. You just did your first keyframe or whatever, I don't know if it's your first, but look, it's kind of like that. Doesn't look that good yet, but it will. So now that you have this, you're gonna cut it like about, I don't know, I guess depending how much you talk during that one word. Let's just say I talk to like here, hello. There. So let's put like right here. Right there. Now you're gonna delete. You're gonna delete this part too. Now you have one. You're gonna press Control C or whatever, and then Control V to copy. Add a good amount of them. So now you have this. It should go like that. That was kind of fast. So it looks kind of fast. So I'm just gonna put it a little bit more. And then I'm gonna delete these two since they don't fit that well. So basically, you're just gonna add every word you say and every text, and then it should kind of look like this. Not a sentence, so yeah, just put random words. Alright, this is how it turned out. Alright, so that's basically the end of the... So yeah, that's the end of the tutorial. Like and subscribe, comment, share. Bye bye.